Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby?
Stop.
Oh yeah, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Wait.
This evening is a tribute to a sound that soothed the nation during the 70s. They defied all the trends, and they created a sound like no other. The sound of Karen Carpenter.
Is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. There's a kind of hush over the world tonight, all over the world, and I'm feeling good, just holding you tight.
It's K-Tel. 22 of the top songs that Karen Carpenter should have sung.
There's a lady who showed all the glitters is gold. Get down, boogie, oogie, oogie. Come on, baby, light my fire.
I was delighted to discover that my absolute favorite song of Karen's was indeed hers as well.
I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and I'm fool enough to think that's what I'll find. Talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together.